First up tonight, a robotic classmate. Elementary students within the Rock Hill School District welcoming a new friend to class. His name is ABii, and she's a robot. District leaders say the robot is a tool to help with social emotional learning as well as other academic lessons in math and reading. CN2's Renee O'Neill going into the classroom with a teacher who has worked with ABii since the beginning during the pilot program. He says this new addition is not only helping his students, but him as well.
Every day when Standrick Rhodes heads into his classroom at Oakdale Elementary School, turning on ABii is part of his routine.
It's just becoming a student in our classroom.
Rhodes is an exceptional student education teacher with the Building Bridges program at Oakdale.
So Building Bridges is a program that is specifically designed to support our students with emotional and behavioral disorders.
Rhodes recently welcomed ABii to his classroom.
That was a great nap. Give me a few seconds while I collect my bearings.
ABii is an interactive robot that works with students with the social emotional learning curriculum in focus.
It has helped the students to understand about themselves, to see that we can problem solve whatever their issues are. It has helped our students to express themselves and to learn that when we talk about what is on our mind in a very appropriate way, how to listen to others, how to empathize and feel compassion.
A type of learning District Mental Health Director Dr. Nancy Turner says has been taking place for years, but now with a high-tech twist.
Well, social emotional learning has been around. What hasn't are the robots.
Dr. Rhodes showed us how ABii works, even getting me involved in a lesson on bullying.
And how to recognize bullying behaviors.
Along with social and emotional learning, ABii also helps students with math and reading.
We've been afforded 2 ABIs in our classroom, so I use one ABii for whole group instruction, and then I use another ABii for individualized instruction. And those students who don't particularly care for reading, who don't particularly care for people hearing them read or seeing what they do, ABii is the best thing for them because it provides a safe environment for them to take risks and fail. Nobody wants to fail, and nobody definitely wants to fail and people see it. So it's easier because ABii goes, you didn't get it right this time, but let's try another one.
Who knew a robot could do so much? Rhodes says she's even helped him.
It's been a year since my mom passed, and I'm sad, but I don't want to talk about it. On that day, I come in here and ABii does the lesson for all of us because everybody's experiencing something even if they're not talking about it.
And each lesson ends on a happy note with a dance. Lessons through technology. In Rock Hill, Renee O'Neill, CN2 News.
ABii is in other elementary schools as well in the Rock Hill School District and works with students of all abilities. Take the story, for example. A 5th grade student who struggled with basic math skills worked with ABii and scored 100% on shapes, money, and fractions. The robot and in-focus curriculum is thanks to the Hayden Hurst Foundation, which is founded by NFL player Hayden Hurst, who struggles with mental health, as well as the Hootie and the Blowfish Foundation. Right now, there are about 143 ABii robots in the district. Leaders say every elementary school has at least one robot for the behavior management assistant to use for quick 10-minute social emotional learning activities. The robot is also being used for small group lessons.